Good day everyone, this is Engineer Jom Dikia and welcome back to my channel. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how to solve a random past board exam problem in engineering economy, specifically straight line method of depreciation or SLM. Gagamit tayo ng dalawang method which is uunahin ko guys yung manual solution, yung conventional and yung ating calculator technique. So ang gagamitin natin na calculator ay ang Canon F789SGA. So meron akong emulator dito. So the same yan ng hawak nyo ngayon na calculator which is yung Canon F789S GA na transparent. So may ibang kulay din yan, yung kulay gray. So ang approved sa board exam is yung transparent na appearance nung kanyang casing. So without further ado, let's start. So the problem is, an asset is purchased for 500,000 pesos. The salvage value in 25 years is 100,000 pesos. What is the depreciation in the first 3 years using SLM or straight line method of depreciation? So the choices are letter A, 48,000 pesos, letter B, 32,000 pesos, letter C, 24,000 pesos, and letter D is 16,000 pesos. For our manual solution, so conventional, so the given is N which is 3 years. Sabi kasi sa problem guys, first 3 years. So next is L which is 25 years. Tumutukoy yan guys doon sa ating useful life ng ating asset. Sabi kasi sa problem, kung babalikan natin, 25 years, no? Nandoon yung kanyang salvage value na 100,000 pesos. Also, the given are C sub O which is represents for first cost. Sa ibang book, ang ginagamit na variable is FC. So, ang value niyan is 500,000 pesos based doon sa given sa problem. So, yung C sub L is the amount which is yung ating salvage value or the scrap value. Sinabi sa problem, no, 100,000 pesos. So, sa ibang book, SV yung kanyang designation ng variable. So, the required is D sub 3 or the total depreciation in the first 3 years. So, for our solution, meron tayong formula for that. So, D sub 3 is also parehas lang sa D sub N. So, pinalitan natin ng 3 kasi nga yung N natin dyan ay 3 years yung binanggit sa problem. So, D sub 3 is equals to N over L multiplied by the quantity of C sub O minus C sub L. Yung N, again, is 3. So, substitute lang natin. Yung L is 25. So, multiplied by the quantity of C sub O, which is 500,000 pesos minus 100,000 pesos. So, we are obtaining here the value of D sub 3 or the depreciation in the first 3 years, which is 48,000 pesos. So, ito yung ating solution conventional. So, how about kung halimbawa lang naman sa board exam, no, makalimutan mo yung mismong formula at yung mismong gagamitin na way ng solving para sa manual. So, meron tayo isang resort which is yung ating Caltech solution. Gagamit tayo dito again ng Canon F789SGA. So, gamit ang inyong calculator. So, meron ako ditong emulator, no? So, always reset your calculator first before doing any solving. So, paano mag-reset? So, Shift 9 3 equal button and then press CA. So, ready to go ka nang mag-solve. Sabi diyan, use mode 3 to or stat linear. So, click natin yung mode. Nandito siya sa tabi ng on. And then, we press 3, which is ayun yung stat. And then, 2 for our linear. So, pagka pindot mo ng 2, lalabas yung ating table. So, ano yung ilalagay natin na values dyan? Uunahin natin yung first row, first column na nandoon sa baba ng X. Kung nasaan nakalagay yung cursor natin, yung kulay black, doon tayo makakapag-input ng value. So, unahin natin sa 0.0 which is, kasi nga, nagsimula tayo sa umpisa. So, ang salvage value natin is mag-occur, sabi sa problem, hanggang 25 years. So, dito, from 0 to 25. So, ibig sabihin pala, yung column ng X, yun yung number of years to be considered. Pag nilipat mo yung cursor using the replay button, so aangat yan at lilipat doon sa dulo, sa second column and first row. So, sa tapat ng 0, ilalagay natin doon yung unang amount, no? Yung first cost ng ating asset. Sabi sa problem yan daw ay 500,000 pesos. So, we input 500,000 pesos here and then, press mo lang equal button. After that, yung 100,000 pesos naman. Which represents again for the salvage value ng ating property or asset. And then, pag na-input mo na yan, wag na wag mo pipindutin yung delete, kundi CA lang. Ang purpose ng CA, pag pinindot mo yan, nakastore lang yung mga values sa iyong calculator. Okay, so what's next? We press apps, nasa baba ng shift, tapos pinutin natin yung 8, which is yung regression. So, pag ganito mga tipo ng problem, no, nagagamitan mo ng Caltech na ganitong klase, so, automatically, madalas na ginagamit yung regression. Okay? So, regression, we are considering the value of your asset in the first 3 years, yung depreciation na nag-occur sa kanya. So, meaning to say, babase ka doon sa column ng Y. So, kung babase ka sa column ng Y, you need the amount, you press 5 or Y hat. Okay? So, ang sabi sa problem again is the first 3 years. So, gagamitin natin yung 0 to 3. So, therefore, we will input here 0 y hat minus 3 y hat. So, press mo ulit yung apps and then regression and then yung y hat. So, ready to go ka na, equal button mo na lang, lalabas yung 48,000 pesos. So, kung alam mo yung Caltech, mas mabilis mong masosolve tong problem na to, wala pang 1 minuto, tapos ang usapan. Tapos ang problem na yan. Unlike na nag-manual solution ka, abutin ka siguro ng 1 minute dito, pero mabilis pa rin naman yun. So, kagandahan lang, pag alam mo yung Caltech, pwede mo rin siyang i-checking using that technique. Hindi lang yung pang-conventional. Okay, so the final answer is 48,000 pesos na matatagpuan natin sa letter A. So nawa guys ay nakatulong sa inyo ang ating tutorial na ito regarding straight line method of depreciation using our calculator Canon F789S GA. So maraming salamat sa panonood. This is Engineer Jom Digia. God bless us all.